are doing well. Thank you each and everyone for liking my videos, subscribing and commenting. I really appreciate you all. Thank you. On today's recipe, I'm preparing cabbage stew with boiled plantain. So let's see our ingredients. I have my plantain, my avocado for garnishing, cabbage, white onion, red onion, my cubes, tomato paste, my Kako. I've already boiled it for 5 minutes, alongside with my octopus. Those my Smock, salmon, I make it home. Those my bell peppers, chopped tomatoes, my oil, blended ginger garlic, and then mackerel, pepper, curry powder, dialbrodo, and then salt to taste. So let's start with our recipe. I'm adding my olive oil inside my pot. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. Now this recipe is very healthy and delicious. Guys, I'm adding my white onion that I've already chopped. Then you leave it for 2 minutes to fry a little bit after you add your curry powder. I'm adding my curry powder. Don't worry, all the ingredients will be listed below the description box for you to try it at home. Then you stir it together for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you add your tomato paste. Make sure you mix it well with the oil. Before you add your powder pepper. Red pepper. My octopus is a little bit hard, so I'm putting it inside right now. Then stir it. Guys, I'm adding my ginger garlic that I've blended it. And also stir it together. We're going to finish right now. I'm adding my tomatoes. Mix everything together. And you leave it for 15 minutes. You are going to cover it for 15 minutes. Hi guys, whilst we are waiting for the 15 minutes for our sauce, we are going to enjoy it with our boiled plantain, as I've already told you. So let's prepare it. I'm going to peel it and then boil it. I'm going to finish right now. Enjoy it in the afternoon or in the evening. I've already pulled my plantain, so I'm going to boil it. I've already put my water on fire. stir it a little bit, and then you add, I'm adding my mackerel water, just a little bit on it. I didn't add everything, just a little. Then you cover it again and then leave it for another 15 minutes. Let's check our sauce again and then add our spices to it. Adding our cube. The star and then the Maggi one. Plus dialbrodo. Okay. Then you stir it together again. Guys, it's time for me to break my salmon into pieces so that you can enjoy it with your sauce. Then you remove the skin from it. This one we don't need it. We're going to put it aside. Same thing to this one too. I didn't make it too hard because of the stew. It's not too hard. Have you seen it? It's very soft. Guys, it's time for me to add my Kako. A very salted one and a dry one. Add your Kako and then your salmon. Put everything inside. And you stir it. Don't forget to try it, It's very delicious. With the salmon, the salmon recipe too, very soon will be showing how I smoke my salmon. It's time for me to add my mackerel. Just put it inside like that. Then you stir it. Don't want it to be too much pieces on it inside. Let me break it into two like this. Okay. You stir it gently. Oh, let me taste it. Very delicious. You need to try it. Guys, it's time for me to add my bell peppers. Also stir it gradually. Very gentle one. Gentle stir. Guys, I'm adding my red onion together with the cabbage. I'm not going to stir it together. I'm going to mix it together. I'm going to leave it like that and then cover it. It will go inside itself. Guys, I'm adding a little bit of salt to it. Just a little. Then you cover it again. for 3 to 4 minutes. Hello, our menu is ready. Just look at it. Our red plantain with our cabbage sauce or stew with avocado and our egg. Okay, just beautiful. I hope you try it for your girl. Share this video, like it, comment and subscribe. Please and please subscribe for your girl. I will see you in our next recipe. See you. Enjoying time. Ooh, shh. Very delicious. Please try it, eh? It's very delicious.